Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you guys how Trim protects your credit information. Are you worried about your data security? Let's talk about how Trim protects your credit information so you can use the app with a lot of confidence. First, Trim takes your privacy seriously. From the moment you sign up, all your personal and financial data is protected using the 256 bits SSL encryption. This is the same security standard used by major banks. When you link your credit account or access credit monitoring features, your data is never stored on Trim servers. Instead, it's transmitted securely through encrypted channels and only used to display your information within the app. Trim also uses multi-factor authentication, which of course adds an extra layer of security during login. This helps to make sure that it's really you every time you access your financial data. Additionally, Trim partners with trusted credit bureaus and bank-level service providers, ensuring your information is handled with the highest standard in data protection. They also follow strict compliance with financial regulations, so your credit details, social security number, and bank logins are never sold or shared. If you ever decide to delete your account, Trim will permanently erase your personal data from their system upon request. So rest easy, Trim has your back when it comes to keeping your credit and financial data safe. Coming up next, I'm going to show you guys how to set credit utilization alerts in Trim. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more trusted tips. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.